Hello students, welcome back. I am Linkesh, a mathematics teacher at Lux School of Science. Today we will continue with the miscellaneous exercise, that is exercise 7 of chapter number 7, permutation and combination. In our last video we had completed till question number 4. So today we'll start with question number 5. Okay, so see here, how many 6-digit numbers can be formed from the digits 0, 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 which are divisible by 10 and no digit is repeated? Okay, so now see which numbers are given in question number 5. Which numbers are given? 0, 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. 0, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are having total 6 numbers. Okay, and how many digit number we have to form? 6-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now it must be divisible by 10. So we had already studied about this divisibility rules earlier in the earlier video. Right? Now it says it must be divisible by 10. So what does that mean? That at units place it must be always 0. So if I put here 0, how many options I am having? Only one. I can only put 0 from here, right? So only one option. Clear? Now it is as a digit, no digit is repeated. Right? So now I can put each and every number here except 0. Why? Because if I will put here 0, then it will not be a 6-digit, it will be a 5-digit number. Right? So I also have put here 0. So I am not having 0 now. I am having only 5 numbers. And all the 5 numbers I can put it here. Right? So now this place is filled. I have just filled this place. Okay, so now from the 6th number I have put 1 0 here and any one number from this 5. So remaining 4. Let's take this place is also filled. Okay, 3. Again this place is filled. See how 3? Because from 6 I had put 1 0 here, one number here, one number here. So from 6 3 number is put. So 3 remaining. So now here only 2 are remaining. Okay, let's say that one number we are putting it here also, and the only possibility here is 1, and this is also filled. So now total how many numbers? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 1. This will be equal to 120 numbers. So see, I can form 120 numbers, 120 numbers from 0, 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 of 6-digit numbers which are divisible by 10 such that no digit is repeated. Okay, so just note down this question number 5. Okay, Now, one question is, if it is such that the numbers can be repeated, here no digit is repeated, but if the question is if the digits are repeated, okay, let's take this extra one, means if digits are repeated. So what can you do if you can repeat the digits? It must be also be divisible by 10. So see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now as it must be divisible by 10, here I can put only one number, that is 0, means only one possibility. Clear? But now here, now I can again put all the six numbers. No, I can't put 0. Apart from 0, I can put all these numbers. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. All the five numbers I can put it here. Okay. Now what about this place? See, digits are repeated. So now I can also put 0 here. If I had put here 3, I can repeat it. So now here I can put all the six number, same all the six number, six number. Because the question here is you can repeat the digits. Okay, so this is the extra one. So now 5 into 6 into 6 into 6 into 6 into 1. Okay, so let me calculate it. 5 into 6 into 6. It's 6 4 8 0 numbers. So see, if digits are not repeated, it will have only 120 numbers. When if the digits are repeated, then we can form 6,480 numbers from 0, 1, 3, 6, 5, 7, 9, which are of 6 digits and divisible by 10. Okay, so note down this extra question. Now let's move to the next question, that is question number 6. Okay. So let's see question number 6. The English alphabet has 5 vowels and 21 consonants, right? English alphabet has 5 vowels and 21 consonants. How many words with two different vowels and two different consonants can be formed from the alphabet? Now see, this question consists of combination as well as permutation. From the five vowels, we have to take two different consonants. So that can be any two. A, E, E, I, U, A, O, E, U. That can be any two. And similarly, from 21 consonants, again we have to select two consonants. So first, we will find it out in how many ways two vowels and two consonants can be selected. Once the selection process is completed, then we'll find out in how many ways that two consonants and two vowels can be arranged to form a word with or without meaning, right? So then we will multiply both for selection and for arrangement, means combination and permutation. Okay. So first, let's select vowels. How many vowels? Five. I'm writing total. And how many consonants? 21. Okay. Now, how many vowels we have to select? Two. And consonant, again two. So, in how many ways we can do? 5C2 multiply by 21C2. Okay, so 5C2 will be equal to 5 factorial, 2 factorial, 5 minus 2, 3 factorial, 21 factorial, 2 factorial, 21 minus 2, 19 factorial. Okay, so 5 factorial, 5 into 4 into 3 factorial. What is the value of 2 factorial? 2 into 1, 2. We will not put value of 3 factorial. Instead, we will directly write down 3 factorial. So these gets cancel. Multiply by 21 into 20 into 19. I will stop at 19 factorial. Okay, what is 2 factorial? 2. And 19 factorial as it is. Okay, so this will be equal to 2 ones are 2 twos are 5 twos are 10, 2 ones are 2 tens are into 210. This will be 2100 ways in selecting two vowels and two consonants from 5 vowels and 21 consonants. Clear? So now it's time for arrangement. Okay, so say we have already selected two vowels and two consonants. Right? Now, arrangement. Two vowels and two consonants. Okay, there is no such question like this vowels must be together or consonants must be together. So we are having 4, 4, 3, 2, 1 or 4 factorial 24 ways, right? So the total number of words will be 2100 multiplied by 24. So total number of words 2100 into 24. Let me calculate it. 2100 into 24. This is equal to 50400. So 505, 50,400 words can be formed using two consonants and two vowels from all the alphabets. Okay, 50400 words. Okay, so just note down this question number 6. Okay, now let's take a change in this question. Okay, means extra one. If the question is that vowels and consonants must be together. See, now if the question is vowels and consonants must be together, so arrangement will change. Okay, what I can do, I can take one place for vowel and one place for consonant. Okay, in one place I will put both the vowels and in one place I will put both the consonant, right? And how vowels, there are two vowels, how they will arrange, and there are two consonant, how they will arrange. So this is the total. One place for vowel, one place for consonant. Okay, or let me write down in a clear way. One place for vowel, one place for consonant. So only two places. Right? Now, in whichever place the vowel will be there, there are two vowels. Okay, how they will arrange? Two vowels will arrange and two consonants. Means see, if here there are two vowels A and E, it can be arranged like A E and E A. So such type of vowels arrangement in consonant. So here 2 1 2 1 2 1. So it will be 2 into 2 into 2. This will be equal to 8. So the total words will be equal to 2100 into 8. So that will be equal to 16800. Okay? Clear? That will be 16800 words such that consonants and vowels are together. Clear? So note down this part for the extra one. Okay? Okay, now let's move to the next one, that is question number 7. Okay. Now, so what is question number 7? A question paper consists of 12 questions divided into two parts. So there are part 1 and part 2. Part 1 consists of 5 questions and part 2 consists of 7 questions. So total 12. A student is required to attempt at least, sorry, 8 questions in all, not at least. Means total the students have to attempt 8 questions. Selecting at least three from each means from any one section he must attempt at least three, means three or four or five and so on, but not less than three. Clear? So in how many ways student can select? Okay, so now let's see part 1, part 2. Total question in part 1 is 5. And total question in part 2 is 7. So now at least 3. So let's say to select 8. If we're selecting 3 from part 1, okay, then 5 question must be selected from part 2. If he's selecting 4, he cannot select less than 3, right? So 4 from part 1, then 4 from part 2. 5 from all the 5 from part 1, then 3 from part 2. Now there are no 6 questions, so I cannot select here 6, and also I cannot select here 2. So these are the three different ways. Okay, these are the three different ways in which you can select. So see, from 5 C3 into 7 C5. Clear? If he is not doing this, he can take 4 from 5 means or 5C4 into 7C4. If he is not selecting this, then 5C5 means or into 7c3. Clear? So now let's solve this. Let me solve this in rough. 5c3 means 5 factorial, 3 factorial, 5 minus 3, 2 factorial. So 5 into 4 into 3 factorial upon 3 factorial. What is 2 factorial? 2. So 3, 3, 2 ones are 2 twos are. So this is equal to 10 into. Clear? You can solve it in rough. 7c5, 7 factorial upon 5 factorial. 7 minus 5, it's 2 factorial. So 7 into 6 into 5 factorial upon 5 factorial into 2. 2 ones are 2 threes are. So this is 21 plus 5c4. 5c4 that is equal to 5c 5 minus 4 1 and that will be equal to 5 our shortcut. Okay, 7c4 7 factorial upon 4 factorial 7 minus 4 3 factorial 7 into 5 into 4 sorry 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial upon 4 factorial. What is the value of 3 factorial? 6. So 4 factorial, 4 factorial, 6, 6. 7 5s are 35. So this will be equal to 35 plus 5c5 that is equal to 1 into 7c3 means 7 factorial upon okay 7c3 that is equal to 7c4 right like this way 7c3 7 minus 3 4 so what is the value of 7c4 35 so no need to calculate 35 okay so 10 into 21 210 plus 35 into 5 okay that is 35 multiplied by 5 that will be equal to 175 plus 1 into 35 that is equal to 35 so now let's add this 210 plus 175 plus 35 that will be equal to 420. See, student can attempt the test in 420 ways. Okay, clear? So see what we did. We have to attempt at least three from each. So either three or four or five. If three is there, remaining five. Four remaining four. Five remaining three. So 5c3 into 7c5 plus 5c4 into 7c4 plus 5c5 into 7c3. Okay. So there are 420 ways. So just note down question number 7. Okay. Now, if the question is asked, instead of at least 3, if it was at most 3, okay, sorry, you cannot here ask at most because they have to attempt 3 question, okay. So, see, if it is at least 2, if it was at least 2, right, then how can you ask 2 from this? 3, 4, 5. If you can attempt 2 from this, then it will be 6 question from this. It will be added. Now remember, you cannot use at most in this question. But if in any question, if it is given at most 3, then it can be 3 or less than 3. Means 3, 2, 1, 0. Here it can't be at most 3 because if attempting 3 question in both the part, then also it will be 6 and it's given that at least 8 is there sorry total 8 is there so they cannot form 8 okay so this was about question number 7 question number we have solved question number 5 6 and 7 We are also solved two extra based on 5 and 6. So students, that's it for today. Thank you.